Bro, they sold us the college as your golden ticket dream like it was Willy Wonka's factory. We studied, hustled, stayed up on caffeine and ramen thinking we were building a future. But instead of stepping into success, we stepped into debt like we just opened a trapdoor. You graduate thinking life's about to start, but instead, you open your loan portal and boom, panic. It hits you like, wait, how much? Suddenly every plan feels paused, and adulthood starts to feel like a survival game nobody trained you for. Meanwhile, you're grinding 9 to 5, still renting, and Karen from accounting is asking why you don't own a house. Yet, like she didn't buy hers in 1998 when bread was $1. You're paying $600 a month and somehow the balance barely moves. It feels like running on a treadmill while the finish line keeps getting farther. And the worst part, if we just pay the minimum, we'll be paying until our future kids are filling out FAFSA forms. Debt grows quietly, stealing our time, options, and peace. This isn't just bad luck. The system was built this way. Hey, I'm John. Welcome to Cash Plan with John. This is where we break money myths and build real-world financial power. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Hit subscribe, because your bank account deserves a glow-up. This video is for education only, not financial advice. Today I'll show the smartest, fastest, most realistic game plan to crush student loans, even if you're not rolling in startup founder. Money, grab a notebook. Let's rewrite your debt story. Look, man, you can't beat student loans if you don't even know what battlefield you're fighting on. Federal loans and private loans, totally different beasts. Once you know the rules, you're not just paying, you're strategizing like a boss. Federal loans usually have protections, lower interest, forgiveness options, and income-based plans. That means the government actually gives you tools instead of just stress. Knowing this lets you play smart instead of panicking at every bill. Private loans, though, they play by corporate rules, and those rules do not care about your stress or your ramen budget. Interest can spike, and there are fewer safety nets, so you gotta be sharp and proactive here. The real game, don't just pay because they tell you to. Understand what loan you have. Use the systems built for you, and flip the script. Knowledge isn't just power. It's your exit strategy. When it comes to killing student loans, the smartest move isn't paying everything at once, it's targeting the highest interest debt first. Think of it like taking out the biggest threat. In a battle before handling the small fries, you move faster, waste less money, and feel like a financial sniper instead of a confused warrior. The Avalanche method means you throw extra cash at the loan with the highest interest rate, while paying minimums on the rest. It's basically the boss fight strategy: clear the hardest enemy first, so the rest feels easy. This is how you save thousands without living like a broke hermit. Think of interest like a villain stealing money from your future every month. A 6% loan versus 3% doesn't sound huge, but it can cost you thousands over time. Every dollar you throw at high interest is like leveling up your freedom meter faster. Don't stress trying to tackle every loan at once, it just burns you out and makes you quit. When you focus on one target, progress feels real and momentum hits different. Like Steve Jobs said, focus isn't just power, it's how you win. Man, listen, income-driven repayment is not a cheat code, it's the smart code. When your income dips, your payments drop too, giving you room to breathe, reset, and plan your next move. Don't let stress bear you. The system exists, so play it like a pro. With USD, your payment is based on income, meaning sometimes it's literally $0 a month. Yeah, zero. That frees your wallet so you can move cities, take a new gig, or invest in the life you actually want. Freedom hits different when your bank account isn't crying. Don't let someone shame you for lowering payments. That's broke mindset energy. Real wealth is using the tools available and maximizing your options. You're not avoiding responsibility, you're building strategy and longevity. Bottom line, don't break yourself trying to look financially tough. Work smarter, the wealthy do. Use IDR, breathe, build, then crush your loans with strategy instead of stress. Your future you is gonna fist bump you for this. Public service isn't just noble, it can literally erase your student loans. Think teachers, nurses, social workers, and other mission-driven roles making real impact. If you're gonna grind 4 years anyway, might as well get paid and get forgiven. Here's the real hack after around 10 years of qualifying payments. Boom, your remaining balance can disappear. Not because you struggled forever, but because you played the system smart. Long-term patience beats short-term panic every time. Imagine waking up knowing your work actually matters, and your debt is shrinking every month without you suffering. You're building a life, making impact, and still checking off the path to financial freedom. That's winning on every level. Here's the pitfall. Some people forget to certify their employment, and boom, yours wasted. Don't let paperwork take your freedom. Spending 5 minutes now protects literally thousands later. Look, nobody wants to juggle 5 side hustles like you're auditioning for overworked Olympics. The key is adding a little extra cash each month without turning life into a grind. Think smart hustle, not burnout mode. Even an extra $250 a month, bro, that's thousands saved in interest over time. Small moves compound fast when you're consistent. We're talking future flex money, not chump change. But listen, this isn't about working till your eyeballs vibrate. You still deserve weekends, Netflix, lazy Saturdays. Life isn't a punishment just because you have loans. The goal is freedom, paying loans faster without sacrificing your life. Stack wins quietly. Stay focused and let your bank balance glow up in the background. Real success doesn't need noise. All right, bro. Refinancing is like leveling up in a game. You trade higher interest for a lower one so you can escape debt faster. Imagine going from 7% down to 4%. That's not small change. That's real money staying in your pocket. When your interest drops, your stress drops to like switching from nightmare mode to chill mode. Saving thousands over the life of your loan isn't just math, it's peace of mind. It's having extra cash for life goals, travel, or finally breathing without bills chasing you. Think of refinancing as unlocking cheat codes for your wallet. You're not struggling harder, you're playing smarter. But listen, man, never rush into refinancing federal loans, because once you flip to private, you lose protections and forgiveness programs. Don't trade long-term freedom just for short-term convenience. Real winners move smart, not reckless. Bottom line, refinancing is powerful when it's done smart, researched, and timed right. The goal isn't just paying debt, it's escaping it with your life, sanity, and future intact. Don't just survive your loans, outsmart them. Look, paying off debt doesn't mean life is on pause. You don't need to live like you're stuck in some broke dude survival mode forever. We're building freedom here, not punishment. Even if it's just $50 a month, that's still planting seeds. Future you will thank you big time when that small effort turns into real money. Slow progress still beats zero progress. You're not just paying debt, you're leveling up. Think career moves, savings cushion, and investing early like a boss. This is how you stay flexible and never feel stuck again. The biggest trap, thinking you must sacrifice everything now to win later. Nah, man. Balanced hustle is how you build wealth long-term without burning out. Slow and steady gets rich. Let's recap. Understand your loans, attack interest smartly, use repayment and forgiveness programs, boost income without burnout, and build wealth while paying. Crushing student loans isn't about hustle. It's about strategy and consistency. If this helped you breathe again, smash like, subscribe, and share this with someone drowning in loans. Drop a comment. What's your student loan story? What strategy are you trying first? Cash Plan with John. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. You don't owe the world your stress. You owe yourself a future. See you in the next one.